This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coros Pace 3 to Strava. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. First, open the Coros app on your smartphone. Then, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you will easily find the option to manage your third-party applications. Let's get started and link your accounts seamlessly and efficiently. Once you are in the third-party apps section, scroll down until you see Strava listed among the various options. Tap on the Strava icon to begin the authorization process. The Coros app will then redirect you to Strava's login page. You will need to enter your Strava credentials and grant permission for Coros to share your activity data. This ensures a smooth transfer of your workouts. After granting permissions, you will be redirected back to the Coros app, confirming the successful link. To double-check, open your Strava app or log in on the web. You should see a notification or an indication that Coros is now connected. Any new activities recorded on your Coros Pace 3 will automatically sync to Strava, usually within a few seconds of saving your workout. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Coros and Strava apps are updated to their latest versions. Sometimes, a simple disconnect and reconnect of the third-party integration can resolve syncing problems. Also, always make sure your smartphone has a stable internet connection when saving activities. This helps guarantee your workouts transfer from your Coros Pace 3 to Strava without any hitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.